It's the first day of July here in Charleston. It's bright, sunny, and hot, but the National Weather Service predicts that today could end with severe storms and flash flooding across the Lowcountry. The Weather Service has put out a flood watch across much of southeast South Carolina, stretching all the way down past Savannah, Georgia. They're saying that waves of storms are going to kind of rip through the region over the next couple hours. They put out the watch from noon to 9, but the real threat is somewhere around 2 to 7 p.m. Ahead of the storm, the city of Charleston is taking a lot of steps to be sure the peninsula and the often flooded areas of the city are easily passable. They've deployed pumps, they're blocking off floodable roads, and taking a lot of other steps to make sure people can safely navigate the city. We'll have live updates as the storm progresses online at postandcourier.com.